gitondo ni nk'ibisanzwe, akazuba nako uba ubona ko kari kurasa. Gusa nari nje kwikorera nibwo mpise mpura n'uyu muhungu yateretse ino kamera mu nzira ari kumbwira story ngo tubanze dukore ngo akantu. Ntabwo nzi akantu ako ariko ko muri zino mpapuro afitemo a story. Iyo story rero yampayemo akarore nyine tuba turi gukora ako kantu muzakabona. Noneho uyu ni umudirector mwiza yitwa David, none uriya mugabo ufite akabido yitwa JP, nanjye nari umwacteur wa gatatu. Nuko nguko David aba ari kudufatiraho agahezo yambaye kuteri. Iyi script script ninjye wari wayanditse ahubwo ya directinzwe nanjye na David, sorry. Noneho David akomeje kwambara ekuteri, nanjye nari mfite uriya mutaka ndi kunywa n'igikoma, ariko nanategereje ko ibintu biza kugenda neza, nkajya mu mafoto nkakina karori. It was a good day, it was a good morning. Urabona ko na JP nawe yari abirimo neza, nuko twikinira akantu gato aho ngaho. Nzakabereka dukoresheje buno bwoko bwa kamera, ino batiri ya 99. So it was wonderful. Nuko mpita nsubira kudondanga, ariko this time urabona ko nambaye na uniform. Guys, ugomba gushaka zino uniform. Nagize amahirwe, sinzi umujama wanjye wize ni IPRC Huye, ni umuji wanjye. Sinzi ukuntu ino taburiya yayitaye home, ndavuga gatayemo mbona kambereye, mbona byongereye value ku bufundi bwanjye. Nuko nkomeza kuyambara ino taburiya, ikaba bigaragaza nk'ibintu biri professional, nayo itaburiya ndayishimiye. So ushobora kuba nari ndi kubisobanura, reka ne gukomeza kubazonga, ahubwo uriya mutipa aba ari ubisobanura fresh, menya afite ibintu ari gusobanura bayi. Reka twumve.
There's electricity stuff, and the sheet is good. Now the light is good.
And you're switching off and on.
This is the electricity, and this is where we are now. We have finished it to cover with the plywood, and this is the place for speakers. Instead of putting them on the stand, you can put them right here. It is the best way, you see. Now we have the place for the speakers, and we have our setup set like this. And this is the background. And as you can see, we have certain interesting installation material. This is a mousse. So we are using a mousse because we don't have proper installation material called the wool. So we don't have the wool here. And even though there is, it might be expensive. So we prefer to use the mousse. So the next stage, we are going to treat the sound. We are going to place the panels, the diffusion absorption panels right here and in the background too. And we are going to do something we call a diffusion. A diffusion is something that diffuses the sound. So we are here, guys. This is one of the most beautiful studio in KGL. And soon we are going to give you another part of the construction, and we are happy to make this, and we will show you our next build. So thank you for watching, guys, and stay in touch.
What's your name for your studio?
What is the name of the studio?
Yeah.
Not yet revealed. We are working on another wonderful thing, so we will show and we will tell the name
When's the
and the
time?
proper
Time.
time.
Okay.
We good and keep it up, guys. This is some kind of a side job I do behind another job. So this is cool, man. This is good to do. And fuck up, bro.
Thanks for showing us around.
Yeah, okay. Thank you too, my G. So wonderful.
As you see, that place it's for the speakers. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only,
The legendary, the constructor.
the producer, the videographer, he's everything.
Yeah, il faut être entêté. Tout travail, hein? Tout travail. So, the coming up video is going to be about beautifying the place, setting up some lights,
From zero to
making it sexier, making it, eco-friendly, making it chilly, making it beautiful and majestic. So everybody's going to be thrilled to be in this place.
I see on your clothes you studied at IPRS.
No, I didn't. This is I borrowed this from one of my friends. So I don't know what
He attended to study IPRC Hui.
IPRC Huye.
Yeah.
So the guy is a photographer too. I don't know why he studied this. He is doing that. So instead of me doing
He studied at Hui, but he's now a
a
photographer.
photographer. I don't know why he doesn't like his gift of construction.
He's hustling.
Yeah, he's hustling, and I put it on when I am walking, and it makes me feel like I am into it.
Also looks like a professional.
And skillful. So we are very, very, very excited. Make you guys watch our next video about the beautification of this place.
Okay, we can't wait to see you opening this studio.
Wahala, no
So
wahala.
nyuma yo gukomeza kubisobanura avugana za wahala nibwo nahise nimanukira nk'uko nababwiye uba ugomba kujya kubwira akazuba mwaramutse ukaza no kujya kukabwira good night cyangwa se muramke. Aha hantu ni heza cyane nyuma ko mba ndi gutambuka muri buno busitani, ziriya modoka nazo ziri gutambuka muri no mihanda mzee yadutayemo, nca muri tuno duti numva akayaga keza negera hano hepfo. Ni byiza cyane uba wumva akayaga witegereza ino misozi. Guys, dufite a very wonderful paradise country and I love it so much. Ku bantu bazi hano munyandikire muri comment ndebe ko muhazi. Uriya ni umugezi, uriya mugezi witwa ngo iki? Uri Bufore ndamutama akalayi. Hanyuma niho njya kwitegereza rino zuba rirenga. It is a very wonderful moment. Nanagenda muri no mihanda myiza umusaza yadutayemo. Ibi bintu biba bimeze fresh. Nawe ujya ufata akanya ugende ku mugoroba utegereza akazuba karenga, binongera vitamine. Nubwo ntibuka ngo izina ry'iyo vitamine, ariko iyo vitamine irahari, ifite inyajwi, arya ni inyajwi cyangwa ni ingombajwi. Okay, never mind guys. Ahangaha rero niho uba ufite kujya gufata ku kavitamine ka nyuma k'umunsi, hanyuma umugoroba nawe ukagusanga umeze neza. wumva ufite amafa. Amafa? Amafa? Okay, ubu feeling good ibyo ari byo byose. Uza kutombora hano hantu ni hehe, ndamuhamo akalike, hanyuma njyewe ndabakwebye nyine. Mugire ijoro ryiza. Bye.